Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.3 10th to 15th questions. So, let us start the video. So, here the 10th question is show that A1, A2 and so on AN and so on forms an AP where AN is defined as AN is equals to 3 plus 4n, AN is equals to 9 minus 5n. So they ask you to find the value of sum of 50 terms in each case. So let us solve it. I am going to solve the first sub question in this question, that is an is equals to 3 plus 4n. First I am going to form an AP. So if n is equals to 1, it becomes A1. It means it becomes first term of the AP. So 3 plus 4 into 1 is equals to 3 plus 4 ones are 4. Is 4 plus 3 plus 4 means 7. So we got A1 is equals to 7, means the first term of the AP is 7. After A2, if n is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 2 is equals to 3 plus 4 2s are 8 is equals to 3 plus 8 means it gives 11. If n is equals to 3, A3 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 3 is equals to 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12 means it becomes 15. So the form of AP is the form of AP is 7, 11, 15 and so on. So this is the form. This is the form of AP. Now I am going to take the value of A, that is 7, because it is the first term of the AP. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. So the value of A3 is 15 minus the value of A2 is 11 and the value of A2 is 11 minus the value of A1 is 7. So 15 minus 11 means it becomes 4. 11 minus 7 means it becomes 4. Both are equal. So A3 minus A2 is equals to A2 minus A1. So therefore the value of D will become 4. Understand? What he said in the question? Find the sum of, he asked in the question, find the sum of first 15 terms. So and the value of n will become 15. And he asked it to find out the value of S15, means sum of 15 terms. And we know the formula to find the Sn, means sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So he said sum of 15 terms. So yes, 15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 of the value of A is 7 plus the value of n is 15 minus 1 into the value of D is 4. So here sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 14 minus 1, sorry, 15 minus 1 means 14 into 4. So sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 fours are 56. So sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 56 plus 14, it become 70. Understand? Here 235 is 70. Now I am going to multiply the 35 by 15. 15 5 is 75. 15 3 is 45 plus 7, 52. So therefore the sum of 15 terms of the given problem is 525. Understand? So we had completed the first Roman in this problem. Now let's go to the second Roman in this problem. So the second Roman in this problem was an is equals to 9 minus 5n. So Let us solve it. What? So I am taking the value of, so I am writing that if the value of n equals to 1, it becomes a1 is equals to 9 minus 5 of 1. Understand? So 9 minus 5 into 1, 5 is equals to 9 minus 5 means 4. So the first term of the AP is 4. After, if the value of n is equals to 2, then A2 is equals to 9 minus 5 into 2 is equals to 9 minus 5 2s are 10 is equals to 9 minus 10 means it becomes minus 1. After, if n is equals to 3, it becomes A3 is equals to 9 minus 5 into 3 is equals to 9 minus 5 3s are 15 is equals to 9 minus 15 means it becomes minus 6. So therefore the form of AP is 4, minus 1, minus 6 and so on. So I am going to think this is the form of AP and taking the value of A is equals to 4, and after I am taking the value of D is equals to A3 minus A2 is 1 to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is minus 6 minus of the value of A2 is minus 1 is equals the value of A2 is minus 1 minus the value of A1 is 4. So equals to minus 6 minus into minus plus 1. Want to be equals to minus 1 minus 4? It becomes minus 5. Here minus 6 plus 1 means it becomes minus 5. 1 to is equals to minus 5. So therefore both are equal. A3 minus A2 is equals to A2 minus A1. So therefore the value of D is equals to minus 5. He asked in the question to He asked in the question to find the s base 15. So the value of n will become 15. So we have to find the value of s 15. Understand? Now we know the formula for s base n, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? Now what he asked to find out sum of 15 terms. So s base 15 is equals to the value of n is 15. So 15 by 2 into 2 of the value of a is 4 plus the value of n is 15 minus 1 into the value of d is minus 5. Sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 fours are 8 plus here 15 minus 1 means 14 into minus 5. Understand? Now sum of 15 terms will become 15 by 2 into 8 plus into minus 14 5s are 70. So it becomes minus 70. Sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into minus 70 plus 8. It becomes minus 62. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 31 into 15. 15 1s are 15. 15 3s are 45 plus 1. 46. 465. So therefore the sum of 15 terms in the second case was minus 465 because minus and 2 plus minus 465. Understand? So we have completed the 10th question. 10th question. Now let's go to the 11th question. So here the given 11th question is, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Means that he said the first term is equals to s1, and he asked what is the sum of first two terms and also asked what is the second term. Similarly, he asked to find out the values of third term, 10th term and the nth term. So let us solve it. So in this question, given that what he given S base n, sum of first n terms is equals to 4n minus n square is given. So if the value of n if the value of n is equals to 1, then sum of s1 4 of 1 minus 1 square is equals to 4 ones are 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. S1 is equals to first term means A. We got that is 3. So A is equals to 3. This is the first one. He asked to find out. After what he said, what is the sum of first two numbers? Sum of first two numbers means S2. So 4, 4 of 2 minus 2 square equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square means 4. 8 minus 4 means 4. Means we got therefore the sum of two terms of the given AP is 4. Understand? So we also find out the value of sum of first two terms. Now let us find the value of the second term. So the S2 S2 means sum of first two terms means A1 plus A2 that is equals to 4. We already know the value of A means A1 that is 3 plus A2 is equals to 4. A2 is equals to, if you transfer the plus 3 to the right side, it becomes minus 3. So therefore we got the value of A2 is equals to 1. Understand? Now, we also found out the value of A2 means the second term. After, later what task to find out third term, 10th term and nth term. So, now I am going to find out the value of third term. Means third term is A3. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equals, the value of A means the first term is 3 plus, sorry friends, before finding the values of A3, A10 and the AN, first we have to know the value of D, means the common difference. D. To find the D, we have to check whether A3 minus A2 or A2 minus A1. I am taking A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 1 minus the value of A1 is 3 is equals to, we got minus 2. So therefore the value of D is equals to minus 2. So we got the value of D. Now let us find the value of third term. So third term is means A3. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equals, the value of A is means A1 is equals to 3 plus 2 of the value of D is minus 2 is equals to 3 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 3 means we got minus 1. After, and he asked to find out the 10th term means 10th term can be written as A base 10 is equals to A plus 9D equals to, the value of A is 3 plus 9 into the value of D is minus 2 is equals to 9, sorry, 3 plus into minus minus 9 2s are 18 is equals to minus 18 plus 3 minus 15. Understand? Now, so we got the value of A3 and A10, and also he asked to find out the value of AN, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, that is the value of A is 3 plus n minus 1 into the value of D is minus 2. So here 3 plus into minus minus 2 into n, 2n minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 means 5 minus 2n. So therefore we got the value of an is equals to 5 minus 2n. Now therefore I am writing from first onwards. What he asked, what is the first term? What is the first term? We got a1 is equals to 3. So a1 is equals to 3. After, what is the sum of first two terms? Means s2. What the s2 we got? That is 4. So s2 equals to 4. We also got the what sum of first two terms. After, what we said, what is the second term? So the second term we got is 1. So therefore the value of a2 is equals to 1. So later he asked to find out the value of third term, 10th term and the nth term. So we got the third term, a3 is equals to minus 1. a3 is equals to minus 1. After, a10 is equals to minus 15. And later he asked to find out the value of an, that we got 5 minus 2n. Understand? So we had completed the 11th question. Now let's go to the 12th question. So here the given 12th question is, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So he asked to find out the S40 sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Understand? Now let us solve it. So we know that the positive integers divisible by the positive integers divisible by 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and so on are the positive integers which are divisible by 6. So now let us think this is the given AP and take the value of A equals to A means the first term. So it becomes 6. After, D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 18 minus the value of A2 is 12. And the value of A2 is 12 minus the value of A1 is 6. So 18 minus 12 means we get 6. 12 minus 6 means we get 6. So therefore A3 minus A2 is equals to A2 minus A1. So therefore the value of D is equals to 6. Understand? Now what is said, sum of first 40 positive integers. So the value of n will become 40. After, we have to find the s dash 40, sum of 40 terms. So we know the value of, we know the formula for to find the sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? S base n can be written as what? I am writing the S base n as S base 40 that he asked in the question. The value of n is equals to 40. So 40 by 2 into 2a means 2 of 6 plus the value of n is 40. So 40 minus 1 into the value of d is 6. So 2 ones are 2 20s are 40. So sum of 40 terms is equals to 20 into 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1 means 39 into 6. So 39 6 are 6 9s are 54. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 23. So sum of 40 terms is equals to 20 into 12 plus 36 9s are 234. Sum of 40 terms is equals to 20 into 12 plus 234 246. So sum of 40 terms is equals to 246 into 20. 2 6 are 12. 2 fours are 8 plus 1 9. 2 twos are 4. Here there is 0, so I am going to get the 0. So therefore the sum of three positive integers which are divisible by 6 is equals to 4920. So therefore I am writing that the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. The sum of first positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. So we have completed the 12th question. Now let's go to the 13th question in this round. Sorry, 13th question in this exercise. So here the given 13th question is find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So he asked you to find out the first 15 multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24 and so on. Sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So let us solve it. So I am writing that the first 15 multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and so on. Are the first 50 are the multiples of 8 and so on. So by let us think this is the AP. So I am taking the value of A is equals to 8. After D will become A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 24 minus the value of A2 is 16. Want to be equals to the value of A2 is 16 minus the value of A1 is 8. So the result for 24 minus 16 was 8. At the same time, 16 minus 8 also 8. So both are equal. A3 minus A2 is equals to A2 minus A1. So therefore, the value of D is 8. After what is said, sum of first 15 multiples. First 15 multiples means the value of n is equals to 15. They ask you to find out S base 15, sum of first 15 multiples. So we know the formula of S base n, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So he asked to find out sum of 15 terms. So I am writing S15 is equals to the value of n is 15. So 15 by 2 into 2 of the value of a is 8. So 2 of 8 plus the value of n is 15 minus 1 into the value of d is 8. Sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 means 14. 14 8s are 112. So here sum of 15 terms is equals to 15 by 2 into 112 plus 16 128. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. So I am multiplying the 64 by 15. 15 fours are 60. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 6 96. So therefore we got the sum of 15 multiples of 8 is equals to 960. So I am writing here therefore the sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is 960. The sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is 960. So we had completed the 13th question. Now let's go to the 14th question. So here the given 14th question is find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So we have to find the sum of the odd numbers, those are between the 0 and 50. So I am writing the odd numbers between between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the odd numbers which are between the 0 and 50, and I wrote and so on. So let us think this is the given AP. So I am taking the value of A is equals to 1 because the first term is 1. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A3 is 5 minus the value of A2 is 3 and the value of A2 is 3 minus the value of A1 is 1. 5 minus 3 means 2. Here also 3 minus 1 means 2. Both are equal. The value of A3 minus A2 is equal to the value of A2 minus A1. So therefore, the value of D is equals to to 2. Now, so let us take the what he said between the 0 and 50 means the last odd number from 50 is 49. 49. So I am taking A base n is equals to 49. So the formula for A base n is, so here we have to find the value of n first. After getting the value of n, we have to find the S base n, means the sum of odd numbers between the 0 and 50. So the formula for A base n is A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of A base n means the nth term is equals to 49. After the value of A is 1 plus the value of n we don't know, so n minus 1 into the value of D is 2. Understand? Here 49 is equals to 1 plus 2 into n, 2n plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. So 49 is equals to 2n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So if you transpose minus 1 to the left side, it becomes plus 1. 49 plus 1 is equals to 2n. 2n is equals to 50. So here 2 is multiplying n. If you transpose 2 to the right side, it becomes divide the 50. So n is equals to 50 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. It remains 1. 1 before 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. So therefore n is equals to 25. So the number of terms between the 0, the number of odd numbers between the 0 and 50 are 25. So we got the value of n. Now let's find the sum of n terms. So s base n is equals to, we know the formula of s base n when first term and last term given, that is a plus a base n. So what he asked to find out, s base n. S base n means the number of terms between the 0 and 50 was 25. So s base 25. So the value of n is 25 by 2 into the value of a is 1 and the a base n is 49. So 1 plus 49. So sum of 25 is equals to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1 means 50. So here 2 twos are 4. It remains 1. 1 before 0, 10. 2 fives are 10. Here 25, 25 are 25 square means 625. So therefore the sum of 25 terms of the sum of 25 terms is equals to 625, means the 25 numbers are there between the 0 and 50. So we have completed the 14th question. Now let's go to the 15th question. So here the given 15th question is: a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees for the first day, 250 rupees for the second day, 300 rupees for the third day, and so on, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has declared the work by 30 days. So there is an contract on construction job. So they are giving the money for the certain date, 200 rupees for the first day, and the second day they are giving 250, and the third day 300 rupees, and so on. They are increasing 50 rupees per day, means we have to take 50 rupees as the D. And after what he said, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has declared the work by 30 days. If he take the work by 30 days, how much money he want to pay to the contractor? Sorry, how much money he want to pay to his workers as penalty? So let us see. Let us solve it. So I am given that penalty for first day. Penalty for first day is 200 rupees, and penalty for second day equals to 250 rupees, and penalty for third day equals to 300 rupees. So and so on. This is the form of AP. So I am writing therefore the form of AP is 200, 250, 300, and so on. From the, let us think this is the AP. So I am taking the value of A is equals to 200 rupees because this is the first term of the given AP. After D is equals to A3 minus A2 want to be equals to A2 minus A1, means the third day minus second day want to be equals to second day minus first day money. So the value of A3 is 300 minus the value of A2 is 250, and the value of A2 is 250, 1 minus the value of A1 is 200. So 300 minus 350, 250 means we get 50. 250 minus 200 means we get 50. So both are equal. A3 minus A2 is equals to A2 minus A1. So therefore the value of D is equals to 50. Understand? Now he also gave the N, that is, if we delay the work by 30 days, means N is equals to 30. So we have to find the S base N, means sum of 30 days money. So we know the formula of S base N, that is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Understand? S base N means S base, the value of N is 30. So I am writing S30. Sum of 30 days money is equals to, the value of N is 30. So 30 by 2 into the value of A is 200. So 2 of 200 plus the value of N is 30 minus 1 into the value of D is 50. So 2 ones are 2 15s are 30. So sum of 30 days is equals to 15 into 2 into 200, 400 plus 30 minus 1 means 29. 29 50s means 29 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. There is 0. So we have to keep 0. 1450. So means sum of 30 days money is equals to 15 into 1450 plus 14 400 1850. So let us multiply these both. 1850 into 15. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9 into 1 into 1850, 1850, 0, 5 plus 0 means 5, 5 2 plus 5, 7, 9 plus 8, 17, 2 plus 2, sorry 1 plus 1, 2. So therefore we got S30 is equals to 27,750 rupees. So that 27,700 rupees the contractor has to pay as penalty to the workers. Understand? Now, so we have completed this 15th question. I am going to end this video with the 15th question. In next video, I will explain some other questions. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.